Yo, I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. Pisces back with another one for us, for y'all, everybody included. That's the cross watchers, that's the eavesdroppers. Whoever wants to be included into this reading, you're welcome to be here. I'm glad you could be here. I got much gratitude for it. There's gonna be a 3 card draw. I ain't gonna hold you too long, but I gotta hold you. You understand what I'm talking about? Hey yo, but listen. Let me show you the cards. They're already out here. Don't think I bamboozled you. I truly didn't. This is what we're dealing with. Princess of Pentacles, followed by the 3 of Pentacles in reverse, followed by the 2 of Pentacles in reverse. Now look, I'm going to keep it a beam with you. This is a money reading, Pisces. And ain't it about time? Ain't it about time? And I can't make this shit up. Or maybe I can. I'm just channeling though. It's not about me. It's about us. You know what I mean? I'm just saying that because, it's Taurus season. You know what I mean? So as you can see, the bull is right next to the Princess of Pentacles. And there's all Pentacle cards out here. So I say it's about time for Pisces people because maybe your money's been looking a little funny lately. Bars are nice. We already fucking know that. You understand what I'm talking about? But the point here is this. I feel like y'all have been waiting to do something monetarily based. You've been wanting it to come out of the gate. So you know how I'm envisioning actually bulls at the those rodeos, like a Texas rodeo, to where the bull is at the gate, just nostrils flaring, ready to just dart out that joint and go crazy, go get buck wild. You know what I'm saying? That's how I feel like you've been patiently waiting at that gate, and not for nothing, you're going to be still waiting at that gate. But let me explain to you, let me clarify, because it doesn't mean that you're going to lose all types of movement and momentum, because I feel like that could really turn you stale if that was the case. But that's not the case. There's going to be an opportunity opening up for you to make money, but it's going to be apart from what you are primarily trying to come out of the gate and do. You understand what I'm saying? So what I'm saying in layman's terms is, y'all got something going on that's huge. Pause. Hey yo, but it's huge. It's magnified. It's your bigger picture thinking, especially with Jupiter transit in Gemini right now. It's bigger picture thinking. But I feel like with this 3 of Pentacles in reverse, there's been some brakes pumped on it because it could be a superficial aspect to it, and it needs more spiritual work before it can come out of the gate. Pause. Now, someone is watching you. You're not even out here. I want you to know that right now. You're not even out here. You have someone looking at you who has investor mentality. They like what you do. This person is, I'm even getting man eater. No offense, ladies, but it is what it is. I'm just calling it. I gotta keep it a beam with you. You know how I do. But man eater is the first word that popped in my mind. However, this is not your average type of look. This person knows how to get what they want. They use what they got to get what they want. They have a gift at it. This could be a man too. Like, don't even sleep on the guys. You understand what I'm talking about? Y'all know y'all got it too, the silver tongue and all that. Y'all know what I'm talking about. That player vibe, male or female. You make it fit the way it's supposed to fit. Pause. But this person is very skilled at using what they got to get what they want. They've been doing this for years now. All right. It's a craft of this. However, I'm going to just keep it a beam with you. The people that they sleep with or the people that they be with, bars, I'm nice. They don't even realize what's happening. They don't really truly understand the significance of what's going on. That's how skilled that individual is. And not for nothing, they're not a slouch. This person is highly skilled, highly ambitious. They are brewing with potential. But it's weird because it's like that might be the reason why they are looking at you to invest in you, because they are not seeming to do it on their own. For whatever reason, they're just not seeming to do it on their own. And okay, I see. It's not whatever reason. It's because they're holding on to a vision, they're holding on to an idea, and they're holding on to some money for all of those things as well, while looking at you. And as the days go by, they grow more enthusiastic about it. However, at the same time, I feel like there are more eyes on you as well. And when I say more eyes, don't think that this is far-fetched. I feel like there are financiers who have their eyes on you. All right? Money people. People just like the Princess of Pentacles who would like to invest in you. However, they want to see what you do when you can't do your baby. Hey, yo, that sounds crazy, but you understand what I'm saying, right? Bars, I'm still nice. It's like, what would you do if you couldn't go to work on your favorite project in the whole wide world one day? Or let's say for a week. Let's say even a month. What would you do, right? So when I said that there's other windows of opportunity opening up that's financially based, they are. And they're being brought your way at this very moment to see how you interact with the opportunity. It's like multitasking. Can you multitask? The purpose of this really is to see what you do with that money, because I feel like your baby, the primary thing, remember, it's a bull waiting at the gate. It hasn't launched the way, even if y'all think y'all launched y'all business, y'all started y'all new business, it has not launched. You did not do a launch. You did something that was more like, hey, I got this new thing going. I did this new thing. Hey, I do this now. But it's not a launch. You really just started getting your feet wet. You understand what I'm saying? You're going to eventually launch this thing. This thing, like I said, is huge. It's bigger than you think. Hey, yo, it's crazy, but you know what I'm talking about. So this money is going to be kind of like tossed at you freely. It's going to move rapidly as well. Like, because I feel like some of y'all wallets have been like stuffy, like stagnant, like they haven't been flowing. It's like with the weather breaking, it's like the money going to start breaking in too. So you're going to be afforded this money. It's going to be in another task, something that you're actually skilled in as well. You're going to get this money. Now, what you do with this money is like a trial period. And it's not to be taught. It's not to be looked at as financial strain. It's to be looked at as this is actually money for you to spend and do things with. Because again, financiers, they want to track what is it that you're into? What would you purchase? Where would you go? What is the balance like when you're not doing the thing that you most want to do? Because it's saying that we're looking for balance here. We want to see what makes you whole before this launch starts, because there's something about the launch, there's something about the business that you haven't quite figured out totally yet. So it's saying that you need to get clear. You need to be upright and real with yourself about what it is that you're doing and what it is that you want from that thing. In the meantime, in between time, bars, with these other opportunities afforded to you to make money. So this is how you know what opportunities I'm talking about. They're paying jobs, all right? So don't think you're going to be doing some volunteer work, and then that's not what I'm talking about. You're getting paid for this. While you're doing that, it's like the wheels are going to be turning behind the scenes, and you're going to, you know how they say, like when you go on long walks, you get the greatest epiphanies, the ideas that you need in order to make something else work. And even sometimes in your dreams, sometimes it comes to you in your dreams and you like, you get it and you like, oh, now I know what it is. It's being asked of you to wait at the gate, bars, like the bull, and wait for that moment, because that moment will arrive. In the meantime, process your thoughts though. Don't not think about what you're doing because it's at a pause, it's at a standstill. Nah, still contemplate, meditate, I'm hearing, on what it is that you want to do and why it is that you want to do it, and believe that it's within you already. You just want to know how to activate it. All right? There's potential, vast potentiality, the same way that the Princess of Pentacles has vast potentiality. They're looking at you to express your vast potentiality because they want to get in it with you. They want to get behind you with it. They want to be involved with it. They want to participate with it. And again, they're not alone. Like, there's other people looking at you who are about money, who are about investing. And it's not the type of investing that necessarily means they want this, that, and the third back from you. It could be loan, it could be debt financing, it could be all kinds of financing. But keep in mind that what you do with this money right now is a trial period. I'm also hearing the speed of scaling will cost you. Okay? So just know that the speed of scaling will cost you. The contrast of that is things that cost little to nothing will take more time. So what I'm also hearing is, because I said to listen for the epiphany of how you're going to activate it, I'm also hearing it won't be done both ways. All right? There's a contrast. Remember, what comes as free or little to nothing will be gradual. What scales quick will cost, meaning you will have more expenses. The profit margin will not be as large as it would if you were to take more time and be more gradual. So contemplate on that and think about how you want to move forward, because once that gate opens, and it might be synonymous to the gate analogy with the bull, because once the bull comes out the gate, does it behave gradually? Not at all. And I know Taurus is a gradual sign, but when that gate opens and that bull comes out, what transpires? So that may be the hint. But at the same time, you're on pause right now for a reason, right? Perhaps this is the time, or the time that you just prior experienced was the gradual moments that you needed to experience some sluggish movement, and maybe even a few more days to develop a methodology that assists you in doing this the way to act, in order for it to be activated. All right, the vast potentiality to be activated. And this side project, we could call it that, on the side, is just for you to experience the, how should I say it, the actualization of moving quick and how it costs you for things to scale quickly. And maybe the thing on the side is supposed to scale and move quickly just for the purpose of practicing money management and the money, just money management. And perhaps your launch and everything is supposed to be more gradually. Maybe you will obtain a larger profit margin because of the gradual movement that takes place with your baby, I feel strongly about everything that I just said, so I feel like I just gave advice as well. But y'all get in the comment section and let me know what you feel, if this resonates with you. You know what I'm saying? We all here to learn. Until next time, I'm out.